Hello guys, it's DJI support. So if you are wondering how and when to use DJI transmission in broadcast mode and control mode, you gotta check this video out. So first, it is recommended to prioritize using DJI transmission in broadcast mode for monitoring connections. Only when there's a need for control or the signal cannot meet the requirements in broadcast mode should you disable the broadcast mode on the video transmitter. As a unique feature, control mode is different from other video transmission modes on the market. The high-bright remote monitor can be connected to devices such as master wheels, 3-channel follow focus, and Ronin 4D hand grips to achieve remote monitoring and control of RS3 Pro, Ronin 2, and Inspire 3. Meanwhile, DJI transmission supports switching to DFS channels in control mode, and also supports switching channels and changing bitrate on high-bright remote monitor, and enabling voice calls between transmitter and receiver. So in conclusion, with broadcast mode disabled, DJI transmission allows for longer transmission distance, stronger anti-interference ability, seamless automatic frequency hopping, and dynamic bitrate adjustment. In broadcast mode, DJI transmission supports connecting to an unlimited number of receivers and quick switches between different camera positions.